Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Spanish with Dummies. So today we're going to learn about some important words because now we're going to learn in future lessons a lot of sentences. We're going to learn the conversations, right? And we need a tool. So some important words we're going to learn. It's going to help us a lot to make sentences. All right. So these are most used words in a sentence, right? So let's go ahead. Let's see them. First we have they. They means of or from. Okay, they. Like I come from Nepal. If you say in that situation, you can use they. Yo soy de Nepal. Okay, they. And of, like just like English, they. So after that we have n. N. N is in. All right, n. N can also sometimes means at. Okay, n. We have con. Con. Con is with. Con. Sin. Sin. Sin is without. Según. Según, according to. Like according to him. Then según él. Okay. According to her. Según ella. Sobre. Sobre is about. Okay. So sobre is also on. Like it's on the table. So in that situation also you can use. Now we have más. Más means more. Right? I need more. Necesito más. Más. Menos. Menos is less, right? Mucho. Mucho is a lot. So you may hear words like muchas gracias, mucho gusto. So it's like a lot. Poco. Poco is little. Alright. Poquito. Poquito. There is a word. Alright. So it's little. Para. Para means for. Okay. Like this is for her. Then es para ella. So in that sense you use it. Also para can mean to as well. Okay. Por. Now por has a lot of meaning. Por can mean because of. Okay. Because of him. Then por él. Por can also mean by. Okay. By, like this. Or por can also mean through. Like if you want to say I'm going through the park. Yeah. You can say yo estoy caminando por el parque. Okay. Por is like through also. So por is also I mean it's used a lot. Por can also mean for, right? Now it's all up to the situation and context. All right. Now one more thing I would like to tell you, this por and para, both of them can mean for. All right. But para is more like we after para mostly verb comes. Okay. Para comer. But after por mostly noun comes. Okay. So we'll learn about this in future. We'll come across situations. All right. Now here, these are other words that we use a lot. Antes. Antes, before. Después. Después, after. Luego. Luego is later. Muy. Muy is very. Muy bien, no? Muy bien, very good. Now this is not Y. You pronounce it like E. Whenever you see Y alone, we pronounce it as E. Okay, so you say E. E means and. Okay, y tú, it's like and you, you know, E. Así que. Así que means so, right? Pero. Pero is but. Okay, si. Now this si is if. Si. Now we have another si again, right? Now this si means yes. All right. Now you may be saying, what's the difference then? Difference is that here I is normal, but here I has an accent mark. It means this one you're going to pronounce this as C. Okay, C. But this is C. C. The I you'll have to stress on it. Okay, C. You know, like, do you want to come? Like, then you say C. You know, C, C, C. And this is this C. All right, now this is no is no. Perfect. Now these are the words that we use in questions. So it's very important. We have que. Que, what? Que. ¿Por qué? Porque is why. ¿Por qué? You know. And another is porque again. Now this porque, because. Okay. This is like ¿por qué? It's all about the way you tone it, the way you speak it, okay? ¿Por qué? Then it's why. ¿Por qué? It's because. ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo? It's how. ¿Dónde? ¿Dónde? Where? ¿Quién? ¿Quién? Who or whom? ¿Cuál? ¿Cuál is which? ¿Cuándo? ¿Cuándo? When? ¿Cuánto? ¿Cuánto is how much or how many? Okay? Perfect. Alright, out of some words, some of the words that we just saw, there are words like quién and cuál, right? Quién means who or whom. Cuál is which or what in some few cases. This word changes with the quantity of the anything, noun or pronoun that they are describing. So it's like if you say who is she, then you say quién es ella, right? We learned quién is who. But if you say who are they, now see it's they, more than one people, right? Then you say quiénes son ellos. Not quién son ellos, no. ¿Quiénes son ellos? Alright? So who is she? Just one person. Then you say ¿quién es ella? Who are they? ¿Quiénes son ellos? Okay? So that's the way how this word function. Perfect. Now another word is cuál that we learn. Cuál and cuáles. Same concept, right? That both of them means which or what in very few cases. So let's see how we use it. So if you say which is your favorite book, just one book, okay, or singular. ¿Cuál es tu libro favorito? All right, ¿cuál? Because it's just one book, just libro. But if you say which are your favorite books, which are your favorite books, plural, then you say ¿cuáles son tus libros favoritos? See, it's books, libros, so it's cuáles. So that's the concept, how it works. I hope you got it. Perfect. Now, there is one more word that we learned, that's how much or how many, right? The one we learned was cuánto. Now, this word changes with both gender and quantity of noun, all right? The earlier one, this one just changed with the quantity, right? But this one is going to change even with the gender. So these are their forms. Cuánto and cuánta, cuántos and cuántas. So cuánto is for male when it describes male object, singular. Cuántos again for male but plural. Cuánta is for female, singular. Cuántas, female, plural. So you can just see them, remember them, and let's see how we use it. So if you say how much money, just then you say cuánto dinero. Okay, because dinero is male, it's singular. Okay, like money is always, we know it's uncountable noun, right? So it's always singular. So we say cuánto dinero. Okay, cuánto, we use it for male, right? It's a male version of how much, and for the singular object, for describing singular object. Perfect. How many books? More than one. ¿Cuántos libros? ¿Cuántos libros? Now libro, one is first thing it's plural, right? Books. Second is libro is as well male. So that's why we use the male version of how much and the plural one. ¿Cuántos? Right? ¿Cuántos libros? Perfect. Now how much blood? Now blood is also it's always singular, right? It's uncountable now. So you say cuánta sangre. Cuánta sangre. Blood is female in Spanish, okay? So I use a female version of how much, and blood is always singular, right? Single. So we say cuánta sangre. Perfect. Now, how many weeks, right? Now it's weeks. I made it plural, all right? So we say cuántas semanas. And again, week is female in Spanish, and it's plural, right? Because I made it weeks, so cuántas semanas. See, it's simple. The object that you are describing, if it's male, the how much version will be also male. If it is plural, it will be also plural. If it's singular, it will be singular. Simple. That's it. I hope it was helpful.